Okay guys, let me zoom out just a hair. Okay, I guess we're gonna have to do it there. Okay, so the group challenge for pouring in harmony this week is a waterfall pour. So I'm going to do something a little outside the box. We got to choose our own colors and everything this week. So all of my paints are mixed with Floetrol. There's no water, there's no additives, none of that. And I don't have any black mixed up, so I'm just going to do yellow as the base, which is different. I've done yellow as the base a couple times on pours, and it's worked out pretty decently. Most of the time it doesn't show through at all. We'll see. So let me just get a good even on the base, as even as I can with all my stuff in the way. The sides don't have to be completely covered because when I tilt, it should help with that. I could have already had the base down, you guys, before I started, but I do have several people that said they like to see stuff from start to finish because they don't want to miss any steps or think that, you know, we're doing something that they're not getting to see that's causing theirs to turn out differently. So I'm trying to show you guys every single step, even the boring stuff. I didn't show mixing on this one because I'm using pre-mixed paints that are already mixed, so they don't have to worry about any extra mixing today, which helps because I don't really have time for the extra mixing. I am going to torch this so that it pops all of the air bubbles, and that will help this color not come through on the other colors. Okay. Now we're going to layer the colors in my cup, and I'm going to start with our Craft Smart gunmetal. And I'm going to use my Apple Barrel Key West. I'm going to use my Artist Loft Flow Acrylics Blue. It's a waterfall pour, so I said I'm going to use blues. I know a lot of people are going to try other colors, and I fully understand that, but I wanted to do, and blue's kind of my favorite color. This is an Artist Loft Level 1, I think it's called Aqua Green, but I'll verify in just a second for you. Yeah, Aqua Green. Then Craft Smart Premium Metallic Copper. Since there's no silicone in here, I figured the metallics would give us a better chance at getting some cells. Well, I want to use white, but I don't know if I can get the lid off of it. This is the Artist Loft Flow Acrylics Standard White. I don't want to use much white, just enough to provide a color difference. And then I'm going to go back and start over with the gunmetal. The Key West. I'm pretty sure there's a gob in the way. Yep, so I'm not going to get to use as much Key West as I want. I'll have to clean that out. Then the standard blue. The aqua green. And a little bit of the copper. I don't want to use too much copper because it tends to take over in pores. And then what we're supposed to do is, I guess I'm going to have to turn this, is tilt the canvas. Start up here and do a waterfall pour, which is basically, oh, maybe tilted too far or pouring out too fast, not sure. Doesn't look anything like her waterfall pour, that is for sure. It probably was way too far tilted. I'm going to tilt it down some, you guys. I think I tilted way too far. Okay, so we can already tell that I've messed up because I tilted too far and my paint went off way too fast. But it is what it is. This is the challenge, so that's what we're going to do. So now I'm just going to tilt my waterfall back a little. And then we're going to tilt my waterfall this way. So I like it, it's interesting, it's not exactly what I expected. And I do need to work on the technique. This is my first time trying it, and I'm trying it live for you guys. Let me get a paper towel and clean my fingers. I do want to take a little bit of this blue and try to pull it here to cover this tip, and this tip. I don't mind some yellow showing through, but I would prefer to keep it as cohesive as possible. I also have a spot over here that's not even covered. Okay. Now I'm going to sit this down and we're going to torch. Oh, there's a glob of something. Not sure what that was. Interesting. And I feel that some of the yellow will come back through, especially since I tilted a little too much. But we're going to see. We're going to see how it goes. So I do see a few yellow cells popping up, but nothing major. I do still really like it. So, I don't know. You guys can let me know what you think, and we'll do a close-up in a little bit, since my camera's attached and I can't take it down.